The effective rate of interest is commonly known as the APY, the annual percentage yield. And you'll see this on credit card statements, on mortgages, car notes. You may notice those two different interest rates, one being slightly more than the other. And the effective rate of interest is the simple interest rate that will produce the same accumulative amount in 1 year as the nominal rate compounded k times per year. And the nominal rate is the stated advertised rate. That's the 4.9% interest that they advertise, and then they'll show you a slightly larger rate, and that's the APY, and that's the rate that you could use with the simple interest rate formula. That just makes it easier to calculate. So if we're given the nominal interest rate, we would be interested in finding out what the APY is, what the effective rate is. Our formula is the APY equals 1 plus R divided by K raised to the K power minus 1, where R is the nominal rate, K is the number of compounds per year. So if we have an 8% nominal interest rate compounded monthly, what is the effective rate? And again, we are plugging this into our formula. R is 0.08 and K is 12 because it's compounded monthly. And we'll find out what this is. 0.08 divided by 12 is 0.006667. It repeats. And I'm having to round this on the computer, but it's important to keep all of your decimal places when you're calculating. And then when you raise your 1.00666 repeating to the 12th power, this should give you 1.08299951 minus 1. And then subtracting that from 1 gives us 0.08299951. So our effective rate, or the APY, we change that to a decimal by change that to a percent by moving our decimal place over 2 places. And we can round off from this point, round up to the nearest tenth. It would give us 8.3%. So the nominal rate is 8%, meaning the effective rate, the rate that we could use using the simple interest formula, is 8.3%.